Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. Yay! Thank you so much.
Ito eh, nakabaya ako. Baya? Morning!
Abaya.
Abaya, abaya.
Abaya.
Birthday, nakaitim.
Too early. Should be tomorrow. Tomorrow is what?
Tissue, buy tissue.
19?
Buy. Tissue, tissue.
Doesn't bread have a share on that? Try.
What?
Maybe a knife or fork. Can you ask if they have this?
Eh. Happy birthday to me. Advance. Yeah. Better like this.
Yeah.
Yes, ito maganda.
Huwag na. Maganda yung may bacteria.
What?
Better with bacteria. Sabihin yun. Oh, there is bread also here. May bread din sa loob. I ate your leftover,
What?
the pulaw.
Why you not take in the room?
I eat at lunch when we
Eat together.
Because when I open, you not take. But then Noor must be. But then I asked Salim. No, Salim I didn't meet because I go and sleep in the room.
I ate the leftover.
How was good?
Good. I hate it.
You were hungry, huh? Too much? Wallah. Anna also. That lady also. You are also saying so, na? Joan, what?
I'm still full with the banana, orange. But then we have lunch. That's why we are not too much hungry. Gutom raw sila kasi nga nag-fasting. Tayo naman, hindi naman tayo nag-fasting.
Ay, did you eat putol?
Mm-mm.
Did you eat putol? Where?
Mouth.
Saan? Where?
I go in the mosque with Salim.
Yeah.
Kami, kumain kami ng putol.
When?
Kaya nga sabi ko sa kanya, hindi ako nag-fasting. Di sa home, ako pa. Gawa, dates, at saka sabut, banana, orange. What you eat in the mosque? Kapsa.
Shorba, samosa, kafsa.
When?
In the mosque.
There is food there?
The one kapsa there is for pina bring home.
White rice.
Maybe.
No, yellow.
I found in
White
the
rice. No, that one Musab sent, I think.
I found in the table.
I also see there on the table. I asked this from where. They said Musab.
Mataas. Sa upgate.
I think, yeah.
Pina also put it in the
No.
no.
Women not
They
allowed.
eat in the house, in the mess.
Women not allowed there to get only man.
You see the oil?
Siyempre.
If you see
Both
oil, you
Indian.
cannot eat. This is not good for fatty liver.
So we don't order the orange. Ay, anong pala? I didn't see.
Dildo. Not easy.
Ito yung favorite ko sa usawan eh.
Pepper kasi yung... Ang daming tinapay.
Ano yung favorite niya? Mamaya pa ang celebration, mamayang 10. Wala pang aming mga bisita.
Happy, happy, happy birthday. Ano ang handa mo sa iyong kaarawan? Happy, happy, happy birthday. Nawa'y pagpalain ikaw.
Happy birthday to you.
Awanayo,
Happy birthday to you.
awanayo.
Ang aking handahan.
Ano-ano,
Bibingka at puto.
ako sarap.
May kape